We got a little wren. I really like wrens. They're just funny with their little tail that hangs up. That one's not doing that. I don't know exactly what kind of wren it is, but I know they can. I'm not gonna get too close. Oh, okay, so that one's not aggressive right now. That's a little male. Looking for a girlfriend. And once he gets a lady, they're gonna lay eggs. And he's gonna get really aggressive. Yeah, he's gonna basically just attack anything that comes close. Oh, so cute. So funny. Oh, fascinating. Have a good day, little wren.